Hello everyone, welcome to MYACTUATOR channel. Today I would like to show you around MYACTUATOR, how we work, how we assemble the motors here. And this is the front hall for our company. And as you can see, this is the brand name. So MYACTUATOR is the brand of our motors, and our company name is Suzhou Micro Actuator Technology Company. And please follow me. This is the area for exhibition. We just show some of our motors, but not all because the limit of the space. And for this is the direct motors of the IMD L series, and this is for the IMD X series motors. Just a few of these series, and also this for the harmony motors of the RH motors. And this one is the recently we just released the new motor for the CEM30 motor. And also we developed some drivers. As you can see, most customers are very familiar with the IMD version 3 driver. Okay, please follow me. This part is for some offices, for the sourcing, for the financial departments here. And for this part is for the sales and marketing and designing department. And for this part is for our R&D department, do some mechanism design, for electronics design, and for testing. Okay. As for this robot arm, recently we just designed this and show to our customer that we have the ability to design the robot arm. And as you can see, this motor is just assembled here. And the most important thing is that for this robot arm, there are 6 DOF, and each joint from the first one to last one, use the same motor because this motor is very powerful. Okay. Okay, this is the working house here. We do some testing, do some assembling here, and we have assembly lines. And every day we make a lot of motors, and we have some devices here. For example, this the balance machine to test the rotor, to keep the rotor to be balanced, and that one is for the automatically magnet installing machine. Okay, we use this machine to install the magnets to the rotor, and for this parts, and we're soldering the drivers, and we're soldering the wires here. Okay, for this part. And here we do some assembling here. Okay, now we are just assembling the IMD 5010 motors. Okay, and for that part is for the winding machine. We have 2 winding machines, which is all automatically, and to make different windings for different stators for the motors. And for this part, we do some tests to test. For example, this is the stator. When finished, we will test every one about the inductance and the resistance. Okay, after assembling, we have some test machine to test the motor's performance. For this part, as you can see, we have about 4 dynamometers, and when we have the motors, we will test each motor's performance. For example, the torque, the power, the speed, and the many different parameters here. And for this part, we test the motor's lifetime. So every batch of the motors, we will test about 24 hours to test the motor's smoothness and their lifespan. Okay. And for this part, it's all for the QC area. For every motor, we will test the motors a lot of parameters, and we make the records here. For example, for this IMD X series motors, And every batch motor, we will make some records. For example, the test of the voltage, the test of the current, the test of the noise, the resistance, the appearance, the vibration, and every motor. Just like to around my actuator, and for here we only focus for the designing, for the technology, and for assembling the motors and test the motors. And regarding, maybe you have the question that how you manufacture the CNC part. Regarding this part, we have our mother company is a very big company, and we have a lot of manufacturing machines and for the testing machines. And later I will show you around our mother company to show you the ability of our manufacturer and all the machines. Okay, let's go.
'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time I touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go. Want you in my life. Your arms are my castle. Your heart is my sky.
After show you around our mother company of things, and I think all of you will be surprised about the production ability and the test ability. Okay, now let's get back to my actuator, and I will show you around our warehouse. Please follow me. Okay, as you can see, this is the warehouse. We make a lot of stocks here. For example, we have a lot of motors, and for the IMDX series, for the IMDL series, a lot of motors for the final motors or the semi motors. And for this part, as you can see, there are a lot of drivers here. We design about 20 types of the driver. Here, this is the MC500, and I think a lot of customers use our motors and are very familiar with this kind of the driver. Okay. And for this part, we have the laser machine, and before shipment and for the last step, after the test, we will print the logo by that machine, and then we will check the appearance, and if everything is okay, we will start to package the motors. Okay, this is the very simple visit to my actuator. So this part is for the cooperation of our customers, and after 3 years development, I think a lot of company tried my actuator motors, and I hope that if you like, you can try my actuator motor. You will love it. It's really good.